Isa ka bang frustrated plantita o plantito pero hindi biniyayaan ng green thumb? Baka lumot na ang halaman para sa'yo. No joke mga kapatid, dahil yan ngayon ang lumalagong negosyo ng dating software engineer na si Brian. Mga kapatid, bilang sawa na ho akong mamatayan ng halaman, palagi na lang, lalo na nung kainitan ng panahon, parang kailangan natin na medyo low maintenance at mukhang may solusyon si Brian. Brian, ano magagawin natin ngayon?
We'll be creating a terrarium.
Hango sa salitang Latin na terra na ang ibig sabihin ay earth o lupa at salitang aquarium, ang terrarium ay isang enclosed indoor garden.
We specialize in moss terrarium. Okay. So we use live moss and then we place it in a closed container. So it's basically like a miniature landscape that we're trying to create using live moss.
Patok ang mga pa-workshop ni Brian kung saan sa halagang 3,500 pesos makagagawa ka na ng sarili mong terrarium. At ngayong araw, ako muna ang estudyante ni Brian. So gawin natin, ano ba mga kailangan natin dito, Brian?
Yeah, so we have different phases to this workshop. We'll be creating it phase by phase and then different materials based on the phase. No? So the very first phase, we'll be creating like a foundation. So we have lava rocks. So let's grab siguro mga 5 or 6 spoonfuls of the drainage layer first.
Mukhang ito naman yung part na talaga mapapakonsentrate tayo. Galing ko, no? Pero ang mga miniature landscape na ito, may mas malalim na ugat para kay Brian at sa kanyang asawa. Pero bakit mo ba naisipang gawin to, Brian, to begin with?
I have a daughter. Her name's Juliana. She was 4.5 years old. So she passed away a year and a half ago. And then this was something that became an outlet. Because I was trying to imagine where my daughter is currently. So it's like me imagining what heaven looks like. So I bought a miniature figurine and then placed her in one of my escapes, in one of my landscapes. It's just a daily reminder of where she is and that she's happy wherever she is.
Ang mga terrarium na binuo ni Brian para kay Juliana, ibinahagi niya sa social media.
I wanted to share my journey. I wanted to share my journey about, maybe the grief, maybe a chance for me to talk about it, right, even more. And then people started to ask if the pieces were for sale. It became an opportunity for me to sell pieces. The idea flourished, so to speak. So that's how it became a business. Yeah, that's how it became a business.
Mula sa puhunang 20,000 pesos, bumili siya ng mga materyales na kailangan niya sa pagbuo ng mas marami pang mga terrarium. Ang Moss Escape na nagsilbing outlet ni Brian, kumikita na ng hindi bababa sa 6 digits kada buwan. Pero bukod sa kita, itinuturing niya rin itong misyon dahil sa iniwang pangako sa anak.
It's like a mission for me because of what happened to Juliana. And also yung last na habilin niya sa akin. I guess, for me, the takeaway is, baka noon niya to, she gave me this. She was the one who gave me this. For me, my wife, to want to continue to live.
Mga kapatid, Jess De Los Santos po, huwag magpauli sa mga umaaksyong balita at napapanahong issue sa bansa. Para sa mas malawak na balitaan, mag-subscribe at mag-follow sa social media pages ng News 5.